Hey everybody, this is Nathan Furr, Creative Director at Periodic. Today we're going to talk about custom branded email templates. Let's get into it. One of the core features of the Periodic platform is the ability to tailor every part of the booking experience to match your brand. Now that you've set up a custom domain and styled your booking site, you want to complete your customer experience by matching your messaging and reminders. We also have some recommended resources that we'll be using to build these out. These are not sponsored, just tools that we like and use regularly. We're going to be in the Be Free email builder as we get started. And the important thing to note here is that we just need to be able to export an HTML document as the end result. So whatever you use to do that, if you buy a template or you have another software that you're able to use, or maybe you can code that yourself, that's the core thing that we need at the end to be able to accomplish our custom emails. So let's dive into that. So step one, we're going to open, in our case, the Be Free builder. We're going to go into this periodic template that we already have established. What we've done here is uploaded a logo, simple background color, and then created a new section where all of our body copy will go once we import this into our periodic dashboard. In the body of the message, we've included some words here that we're going to be able to easily identify. So you can see here it says header and footer. We're actually going to take this and split this code so that we can easily identify header and footer. So we're going to update these words to say scrantonicity. And this is a unique word that we're not going to find anywhere else in this document. It'll be easy for us to search and split this once we get over to the periodic dashboard. We're going to go ahead and save this, choose to export our HTML document, and we're going to copy that code. Let's take that copied code and move over to our periodic dashboard. This is our new reservation template. That's where we'll start. So we're going to edit this. And in this case, we want to click over to the raw editor, which is where we can input HTML. We're going to click up into the header. And we're going to paste that HTML document that we just copied into the header. Now, we're going to press Command F if you're on a Mac, Control F if you're on a PC, and that's going to open a little search bar that's going to allow us to search the text on the page, and we're going to search our unique word that we used, scrantonicity. And you'll see I hit return here. It brings up right in the middle of that code where that word has been input. Now, we're going to take everything after that word and we're going to copy it. So we want to make sure that the brackets are included here, everything after that Y. And we're going to just select all of that and cut that out of the header. We can in fact erase the word scrantonicity. And then we're going to paste all that stuff below down into the footer section of our raw editor. And we've now split our header and footer and left an open body section that's ready to be edited. Now, these headers and footers need to only be edited on the raw editor. If you make an edit on the regular editor as we flip over, that's going to erase your HTML because the builder is thinking that you want to actually do that kind of WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get kind of editor. So once you've input HTML, you need to make sure you edit that on the HTML mode to preserve that data in the right way. So let's flip over to the editor. We don't have anything in our body section yet, so we can build this email out now in the body section with our message variables from Periodic. So our header and our footer are HTML, and everything we put in between here will be included in that document when the email sends. So let's get started on that. You can see we've got some copy already put in here. I'm going to update some of these message variables. You can find all these in the list by clicking and using the copy button. It's very straightforward. And then we're going to go ahead and save this. I have this attached to a bookable on a booking site, so I'm going to go ahead and load that up. I'm going to fill out my forms and complete a reservation. And now I click over to my email so I can test and see what that message looks like. You'll see that in the middle section, all of those message variables and the custom text I used have been formatted and look really great, right? They have the fonts and colors, everything matches. This looks very custom.